Hi guys, this is the Reverse Sweep podcast, and we are back after a bit of a break. ज़्यादा cricket भी नहीं था, and we also took a small break. So it's just me and Darshil today, and we're going to be chatting about the upcoming India Sri Lanka series. We are starting tomorrow 3 p.m. the first ODI. So what we're going to do today is we're going to try and pick an ideal 11 that will play the first ODI against Sri Lanka, and of course talk a little bit about all the other cricket that's going on. Australia being almost whitewashed by West Indies.
Yeah.
Pakistan struggling in the ODIs and then winning the T20
England C team.
against England C team. And apart from that, South Africa playing in Ireland. So a lot of cricket going on. So let's get started. First of all, welcome Darshil. How are you, brother?
All good. Going fine. And it's been a good break. A lot of Euros, lot of tennis going on. Finally, we're back with cricket.
Yeah, it seems
Even
like
with Sri Lanka, but it's still cricket.
Our Indian team also took a good break, and Rishabh Pant is COVID positive. We wish him well. We wish him a good recovery. And
funny thing is that Rishabh Pant tested positive, but Saha also tested. He's in the camp. He's in the quarantine camp because he was in contact with someone.
Exactly.
So Saha is like.
So I think the news is कि Rishabh Pant hai. Then there is Indian throwdown specialist Dayanand, who's also positive. And apart from that, because Abhimanyu Iswaran, Ravidriman Saha, and Bharat Arun were in close contact with him, so they are also isolating. So abhi to kafi kuch hai. So let's start off. Let's run through the Indian squad first.
A lot of people went to watch it. Bumrah and his wife went. Ravi Shastri was at Wimbledon. Everyone was there.
Yeah, Ravi Shastri to attended final, semi, सब कुछ attend किया उसने. मतलब full enjoy. चलो, so let's run down India and Sri Lanka ka squad, sorry, and then we'll pick up our team from there. So let's first look at the batsmen, right? So we've got Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Devdutt Padikkal, Rituraj Gaikwad, Surya Kumar Yadav, Manish Pandey, Nitish Rana. So what do you think, Darshil? Who two are going to open, and who do you want to see open more?
So I ideally want to see Shaw. So I mean, I've been a known Shaw critic. Like I've not been a big fan of Shaw, but I think ODIs is somewhere I feel he'll do well, because since the thing is Shaw maybe does not have the temperament for a red ball innings, but in white ball he can be pretty destructive at that point. So I would like to see Shaw initially because of the immense potential he has. Now the second spot for me is a toss up between Padikkal and Ruturaj Gaikwad. So it makes sense to go with Padikkal. I mean, because he's a left-hander. You want the left-right combination, but Ruturaj Gaikwad is also there. And I'm sorry, I forget Shikhar Dhawan is.
Yeah, I mean, Shikhar is also going to play. I think the partner who is going to be rotated. I think they might start with Shaw, obviously, because of.
Then they'll start with Shaw. I mean, ideally, if it's Shikhar opening, then the second partner, I would want a right-hander. Doesn't make sense to have two left-handers. So then the order becomes Shaw, Gaikwad, and then Devdutt Padikkal. Or maybe they can try out Padikkal at number 3 if they want. But
yeah, so India's coach for the tour, Rahul Dravid, of course, he said that the aim is not to prepare for the T20 World Cup or audition for that. The aim is to win the series. So I don't think that there will be a lot of rotation. I think Shikhar plays probably all three, at least. If we win the first two, then I don't know, maybe you bring in Devdutt Padikkal. Padikkal ka problem ye ki he's also a left-hander, like you said, and ideally they might want to have a left-right combination. So that's why Shaw and Gaikwad. But I think out of the two, Shaw is ahead. I think pretty much set in stone hai ki Shaw and this thing will open. So let's move on.
Will he be called up to the England team? That remains to be seen.
No, that I think they have refused now. मतलब अभी वो clear हो गया है. But now with Rishabh Pant's COVID and all those things, I don't know क्या होगा. But अभी तो they have been mostly saying. So chalo, I think that's set in stone. Let's move on to our third spot. So number 3. So again, lot of options. I think Surya Kumar is obviously one of the key front runners for that. But इसमें एक problem है. The problem is Surya Kumar going to play at 3 for India in the T20 World Cup? I don't know. I mean, Virat Kohli ने एक बार open किया. He opened in the England series to accommodate him at 3. So do you want Surya Kumar at 3 or Nitish Rana, Manish Pandey, or do you want to play Padikkal as well at 3 or Gaikwad or someone?
Yeah, so
and
get
there's
your...
just before you start this, there are two more options, of course, our wicket keepers, which is Ishan Kishan and Sanju Samson. So,
and that's it, Ishan Kishan. That's it. Like there are no two wicket-keeper options. So, I mean, it's tempting to play Surya Kumar Yadav at 3, but the problem is that you want him to play at a spot where he's going to play. Now, given that it's a Sri Lanka series, and hello Uday, thanks for
Uday's joined us, long time brother. How are you?
Uday's
bought a laptop also.
I always had a laptop. ये company नया laptop दिया है.
So show off कर रहा है, camera अच्छा है.
I thought तुमने bet किया था कि मतलब Australia will lose to West Indies and you won the bet probably. So, but the laptop pay off. Good odds.
I wish.
Anyway, so Uday, just to brief you, हम कर क्या रहे थे कि okay, just 1 second. I think Piyush is also joining. So what we were doing was we were selecting India's 11 for the first ODI. I think the openers have selected themselves, Dhawan, captain obviously, and we said Shaw. Do you have an opinion? Gaikwad or Padikkal along with Dhawan? Who do you think will open?
No, I have always been a big Shaw fan, and it's a no-brainer that we should go with.
He's a fan of both Shaws, Luke Shaw and Prithvi Shaw, both.
Both are big-time bottlers, yeah.
Yeah.
So, no, given that how they performed in IPL, I mean, they were the best opening combination even in IPL.
Yeah, that's true.
So, even though Padikkal did perform well, he scored a century, and he also revamped the way in which he approached his batting compared to last IPL. But I think we should go with the combination of Dhawan and Shaw, at least for the first two games.
Yeah, I think first two ke liye they'll definitely try to win, and obviously Uday's lookalike Rahul Dravid, his coach, and he said we mentioned it earlier.
Yes, if he was in the show.
So he said the aim is to win the series. So I don't think zyada experiment hoga. But anyway, what we were discussing was options at 3 and 4. Obviously, Shaw and Dhawan, if they open, then you've got Padikkal, Gaikwad, who probably openers, so they don't make the cut. You've got Surya, Manish Pandey, Nitish Rana, and Ishan Kishan and Sanju Samson. So those are your options. I think 3 of those will make 3, 4, 5. So who do you think will go at 3, Uday?
I think Surya Kumar Yadav, mostly because of the form which he is in, and also the fact that he has played for India at number 3. I mean, Virat Kohli stepped down to number 4, so that Surya Kumar Yadav could come in at number 3.
Even open for that.
So, I think team management will go with the combination of Shikhar and Prithvi at top and Surya Kumar Yadav at 3, and that will be a very dynamic combination because apart from Shikhar, both Prithvi Shaw and Surya Kumar Yadav are kind of batsmen who look to play their shots. So that will be a really dynamic trio and something which we haven't been seeing with Indian team for a long time because we have Rohit, Kohli and who are kind of similar players. So we'll have a different outlook this time around.
One interesting thing in the show I come to is that who is India's number 4 in the World Cup? In the T20 World Cup that's coming up.
Yeah, so for me, ideally, I'd want it to be Shreyas Iyer.
But Iyer's, I mean, he's just returned back to training, but he's back after that. I don't know how fit he'll be and what form he'll be in. So I'm saying that because I probably want Surya at 4 rather than 3. The reason is I still think Rohit and Kohli might not open in the World Cup. I think
Rohit and KL
Rohit and KL probably will open in the World Cup, and then that makes Kohli is obviously not going to move away from 3.
And if Rohit and KL are opening, I would suggest that our India should try out Ishan Kishan at number 4 because that's 4 right-handers in a row. I mean, if you're looking at T20 dynamics, that's like 4 right-handers in a row. You've got Rohit, KL, Kohli, Sky. So ideally, you would want one left-hander somewhere in the top 4 to at least unnerve the opposition bowlers, or because then it becomes very predictable. You pack the team with leg spinners. They're gonna be there. There's an Ishan Kishan somewhere. Then that plays at the back of your mind. Okay, that you'll have to hold back your off spinner for them or something like that, right? So if that's the scenario, then we should ideally prep an Ishan Kishan for a number 4, and he does it. He has done it for Mumbai Indians, which I think and doing it in the IPL is pretty much good enough benchmark for me. So if
but
he's
uska
done it
sample size thoda chota hai. You have to.
ये series में try करना चाहिए उसको is what my assumption is, that we should try him at 4. Number 3 spot. So my money was like, I mean, like it makes sense to try out Surya, but then the team should be aligned on what the vision is. Like, are they trying out Surya as a backup for Kohli, or are they trying to get him into match fitness, or what way? Like, if Kohli injured ho gaya, so Surya Kumar Yadav comes in, or how are we basically planning to use Surya Kumar Yadav in the Indian lineup? Because it definitely has to play a part. So based on that, we kind of go about it. But yeah, but if it's, I would still suggest that if India can fit Kohli and Rohit at the opening and then Sky at number 3, that will be better, I think. Because KL Rahul.
I think the thing that we need to look at over here is what about Sanju Samson? Because
yeah, we're going to discuss that. We're going to discuss both Sanju Samson and another interesting option. But Piyush has joined us. Hi, Piyush.
Hello, Piyush. Hi. Glad to see Manchester United. Is that Old Trafford behind you, Piyush?
Oh, Piyush has made his.
It was Emirates all or nothing. And
Piyush has made his statement also clear. So Piyush, abhi tak what we have discussed is Dhawan, Shaw opening, Surya 3, and probably Ishan at 4. But I have a point. Can Dhawan do anything in this 6 games that helps him come back into the Indian setup in the T20 World Cup? Or will that, or in the IPL as well? Or is that conversation over?
I don't think so, but Dhawan is getting.
Even if he gets 600s and then IPL mein 600 runs.
No, because the thing is it's pretty clear that Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma are going to open, and Shikhar cannot bat anywhere in that lineup if not opening. So only way Shikhar comes is if Virat
outscores Rohit.
He will outscore Rohit in the IPL for sure. I mean, his obviously.
I don't care if IPL what happens, but Rohit is someone who cannot be dropped. Virat can be dropped, but Rohit cannot be.
Anyway, moving on to the interesting part of the conversation. So I think top 3 is fine. 4 and 5 and 6.
But do you think that Ishan Kishan, he might, so it depends on who the wicketkeeper is. They might look in to give chance to Manish Pandey as well.
Yeah, I was coming to that. So Manish Pandey is the most senior after Dhawan in that batting lineup, right? I mean, he's been around for I don't know how long, from the second IPL onwards. So, matlab, I think
first Indian
centurion of the IPL. Yeah. So I think usko to chance milega. I don't know what role if they'll give him, because ideally such an experienced person, they should have like 3 or 4 kind of role. So let's start with one by one. Let's start with Darshil. Who are your 4 and 5 to finish off the batting lineup? And then we'll move to all rounders, obviously.
Yeah. So I for me personally, I would want to give a chance to Ishan Kishan and Manish Pandey. So I always want a lefty in the mix. So I mean, the choice will be if Sanju Samson is playing as the keeper, then I would want to bring in Nitish Rana. If Sanju Samson is not playing as the keeper, I don't know, because again, the point is if you bring in Sanju Samson, you have to sacrifice the opening slot, or you have to slot him at number 3. And I am pretty sure in number 3 pecking order, he's way down. Like he has got Kohli or Sky or so many people to compete with, right? So I think it doesn't make sense to play Sanju Samson unless there's an injury to Kishan. So if Kishan is playing, he slots in at number 4, and then you have Manish Pandey slotting in at number 5, just ODI spot. There are multiple reasons. I mean, we saw in the ongoing season with SRH, he's not been in a breathtaking form.
He's old India.
Exactly, he's old India. 330 chase में उसका एक century, उसके अलावा I mean I don't remember any noteworthy innings where he has accelerated very fast. So I mean, to be fair, we will take him just because of his experience, but otherwise I don't even mind leaving him out altogether completely. Like.
So what are your final 4 and 5?
Then I would ideally go for 4. I will give Manish Pandey at the 4th spot because I want him to at least build some momentum, because at 5 he will be wasted. And then you can have Kishan coming in at 5. Or if we are going all guns blazing, Surya Kumar Yadav is already like taking the run rate quite high, then we swap up Ishan Kishan and then keep Pandey at 5.
Uday?
So 4 and 5 had to be interchangeable basically.
So look, from how I think about the situation is, there is only probably one spot which is open in main Indian middle order for the T20 World Cup. Others like Pandya and Pant, they select themselves. So we probably just have one position. And does Manish Pandey make cut into that? I don't really think, considering his form, his IPL form, or even domestic form, that he has any chance of making that spot. Right. So who are the people who can make into the middle order? For me, those could be one person out of Suryakumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, and Sanju Samson. Right. So I would rather have Sanju Samson at 3, and depending on the match situation, either Sanju Samson at 4 or Ishan Kishan at 4, and then other person would be the 5th batsman. So that's what I think, because Manish Pandey is frankly does not fit into Indian future, as well as not having a rich vein of form. So those are my 4 and 5, Sanju Samson and Ishan Kishan.
Okay, so both Sanju Samson and Ishan. Who keeps?
Iyer. Samson.
So he's saying in case Iyer does not make his match fitness. Ideally for me, Iyer is still the number 4. But if Iyer is not able to be match fit, basically.
Piyush, actually, we're discussing the 11 for Sri Lankan series. So in Sri Lankan series, Iyer is anyhow not there. Right? So
yeah, no, I'm talking about, you told for the World Cup spot, that middle order, we have one spot. So I think Iyer.
But Iyer's spot is up in the air now, na? Because he's injured. I don't know how he'll come back, IPL form and all that. So as of now, though, he's not there. Correct. So moving on, chalo. I think Prish, your 4 and 5.
I think
Kishan is there.
For the first ODI, I think it will be Manish Pandey and one of Kishan or Samson. But I can see both Samson and Kishan playing as well, because Rahul Dravid has already told that everyone in the squad will get a chance. So
he said that earlier, but recently he said the focus is winning the series.
यार श्रीलंका डी की टीम के साथ खेल रहे हैं यार, किसी को भी खिला लो, जीतना हमें ही है.
श्रीलंका का कुशाल परेरा has also pulled out, magically injured हो गया. So I mean, yeah. Anyway,
but I think ideal stat pad series है for players to, you know.
Dhawan के लिए तो it's very easy, 300s, 3 ODI 100s.
You should get.
Manish Pandey and Samson or Kishan, one out of those two. I think.
But I like Uday's point actually, because even if Manish Pandey gets like 3 centuries in the ODIs and 3 75s in the T20s, he'll still not probably make it. So I think
but I think Manish Pandey will be dropped in the T20 team. Like he is primarily selected for the ODI is what I feel. I still think that for the T20s, I think we will.
They still have Nitish Rana to check out. I mean,
Rana so I don't think Rana is going to get a chance, at least in the.
KKR fan okay, ऐसे बात कर रहे हो तो
So Rana will definitely get chance in T20. I feel because it's clear on the way we have selected the squad there. Manish Pandey, I think, will play all 3 ODIs is what I feel, and then you will see a lot of new faces like Gaikwad, Padikkal, and Rana playing in the shorter format. So that is what my take is.
Right. So we have like a fair consensus so far. Shikhar Dhawan, Shaw, Surya, and 2 out of Pandey, Kishan, and Samson to make 4 and 5. My personal choice, I probably will go for seniority in the team. I'll go for Samson and Manish Pandey, just because they've been waiting for their chance longer than Ishan Kishan is, at least for the starting initial ODI. Now is the all-rounders, 6 and 7. I think Hardik is probably going to play all
Hardik
6
and Krunal,
games.
both.
Is he bowling is the question.
So he's bowling in nets. He's bowling in the nets. That's the latest news. But
but he told that
practice में इंग्लैंड के पेनल्टी वाले पेनल्टी मारी थी, देख लिया मैच में क्या हुआ.
नहीं, but he will bowl.
Yeah, 4 overs. The question is, will he be able to bowl 10 overs in an ODI?
Yeah, I think अभी तो aim ये रहेगा, because this squad has actually the depth कि Hardik plus whoever plays out of Krunal and Krishnappa Gautam, they
I think Krunal is straight away winner.
10 overs. I think that would be.
Yeah, but I feel that now we can risk Hardik. Anyways, World Test Championship के squad में तो वो आ नहीं पाया, तो हो गया Hardik.
हाँ, मतलब Hardik का
क्या बैक बचाना है?
Scene पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है अभी. I don't know what is bowling or not. World Test Championship के लिए prepare हो रहा था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Then everything. Anyway, so I think all-rounders select probably themselves. Hardik and Krunal, I also agree. I think Krishnappa Gautam, I mean, because Krunal has been.
Get a chance. I like him.
I mean, he may get a chance in T20s, but for ODIs, I think we should go.
Exactly. In T20s, you should give Krishnappa Gautam a chance. Krunal hasn't set the stage alight in T20s. For one days, definitely you can take Krunal because he did well in the last series. But for T20s, Krunal hasn't been that effective as a containing bowler. nor does he contribute that much with the bat. So at least Krishnappa Gautam gives you a option to start up the bowling. He can be a good opening bowler for the power
play. But I think ODIs mein Krunal and Hardik to
ODIs mein Krunal will, but T20s mein it has to be. I mean, Krishnappa Gautam should be definitely looked at.
Yeah.
Highest uncapped player paid for by in Indian IPL.
Yeah, but the thing is, it doesn't matter how they perform, likes of Krishnappa Gautam or maybe.
Can Krunal make it to the Indian side for the T20 World Cup?
No, I think Akshar and
Jadeja are ahead. I also agree. Yeah.
Jadeja and Akshar ahead of
even Krunal. Washington. I will.
Yeah, even Washington is there for that role
because he's a better bowler, and batting wise, none of them, if given a chance to make us win, they won't win it. So
Krunal has got that big match pedigree, though. I mean, like
but he's won a final. Part in IPL can change fortune of some players, like because it's in UAE just before the World Cup. If some player performs exceptionally well, so he might get an opportunity.
UAE है तो फिर संजू सैमसन परफॉर्म कर ले.
नहीं, संजू सैमसन UAE नहीं, शारजाह में first 2 matches में संजू सैमसन will perform. उसका एक कोटा. Anyway, let's move on. We have a lot to discuss. Let's move on to the bowlers. So there are 8 bowlers: Yuzi, Rahul Chahar, Kuldeep Yadav, Varun Chakravarti, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Deepak Chahar, Navdeep Saini, and Chetan Sakaria. I think Varun Chakravarti can be ruled out. I don't think with his fitness, he's going to play the ODI. Who do you think are going to be the 8, 9, 10, 11, the 4 bowlers? 2 spinners, 2 seamers, 3 pieces?
Yes,
how do you?
Yes.
We'll start with Darshil.
Yeah, Chetan Sakaria for me. I like left armers. He's gone through a lot. He deserves his chance definitely. Saini is brain dead. I don't like him at all, so I don't consider him. It's pointless to play him anywhere. So because he, even as a right arm bowler, he's much behind in the pecking order in the T20 order, right? So I don't see the point of playing Saini. You'll play Bhuvneshwar, of course, because he's a main T20 bowler. And I want to see the old Dhoni invention back. I want to see Kulcha play together again. Let's see if that works. It's a good thing to have. It's a good option to have that, even if we take the 2 all-rounders as Hardik and Jadeja, and then if we can play Kulcha, if they're working well together, I mean, that's a good, if not for all the matches, it's a good combination to have for a knockout or something. It's something that India can, can turn to for a critical match in the T20 World Cup. So I would like to say Kulcha, Sakaria and Bhuvneshwar.
But that combination doesn't give you any batting. Bhuvi can bat a bit, but I don't know क्या status है.
But only Chahar can bat out of all these.
So I would definitely. I mean, I would not go for Kuldeep. I think his performance does not merit a selection, and there is only so much you can.
KKR select नहीं करती है.
नहीं, मतलब मेरा point ये है कि मेरा point ये है कि कब तक will you go on that line कि भाई confidence देना है तो खिला लो. He's been given enough chances to prove himself.
कौन सा chance मिल रहा है?
Test match में भी chance मिला था, and then, but anyway, let's come to my 4 bowlers. I'll definitely pick Rahul Chahar because I think he's the future in that department. Because I pick Rahul Chahar, I will not pick Chahal, who's क्या कहते हैं, leg spinner दोनों ही हैं. I hope Varun Chakravarti plays because he gives a different dimension altogether, which
I don't like
team doesn't have. Yeah, whatever. I think, but his fitness is a question. So I'll go with Rahul Chahar, Deepak Chahar, Bhuvneshwar, and one of Saini or Chakravarti. So that would be my 4. Reason I think Rahul Chahar is very good. He's probably the future spearhead spinner for India. Varun gives you something different on those pitches. Bhuvneshwar obviously selects himself, and out of Saini and Sakaria, I just think Saini deserves that chance more than Sakaria because he's been there around for a longer time. So anyway,
but I think the fact which Saini gives is like, if we see other bowlers which are like Bhuvneshwar, Deepak and Chetan Sakaria, no one is express pace.
Okay. But it doesn't matter if you bowl 145 kilometers.
And Saini also has
for hitting sixes.
Saini also has average of 92 in ODIs. Okay, so he's a Bradmansky player for us, right? So you can't really drop a batsman who has average of 92, can you? Okay.
Yeah, but that is crazy. I still think looking at Sri Lankan pitches, it will assist spinners more. So I think Rahul Chahar and one of Kuldeep and Chahal, and then two
But we are
pacers.
anyway having Krunal Pandya as our another spinner, right? So
If
give
Chahar
20 hours.
No, but do we need three pacers? So if Hardik, no, this is if Hardik is fit to bowl 5 overs in a out of 10, and then if Hardik bowls 5, then we don't need a third pacer, because I think 25 overs of pace is more than enough on Sri Lankan wickets, and then you have
25 overs are enough for Sri Lankan cricket team. मतलब वो 50 ओवर तक पहुंचेंगे, that's another story. मतलब we have to also keep that in mind.
But Uday, एक point ये भी है कि if Rahul Chahar plays, then Yuzi Chahal is also a leg spinner. They're not very different. Matlab, do you want that? And plus, Krunal is also left arm. So, matlab, do you want that, or do you want that bit of mystery? Varun is different, obviously. Both Kuldeep is also.
We're not really sure if Varun can last for 10 hours given his fitness. Even though he's spinner, we'll have to check on his fitness.
It's not like that.
Okay. If that goes, then I can see bowlers getting rotating. Batsmen, we do not have a lot of options given the form and kind of combination you want to go with in World Cup. But amongst bowler, I see a lot of rotation being happening. I think we can see all three spinners getting a match each. So that can happen. And perhaps, as Dravid had initially mentioned, right, that he will think about giving chance to everyone. Then I see all of Sakaria, Saini, Bhuneshwar, and Deepak Chahar as well getting a match.
And I think Sakaria should play one of the ODIs, because if you
don't have a left armour.
Yeah, no, not about the left armour as well, because Bhuvneshwar and Deepak are way too similar kind of bowlers who will give you starting spell, but you need someone who will if it reaches till there, it won't reach till there, but if it reaches till
but
there,
I think जो उधर said in the middle, right, कि श्रीलंका की भी C team है, तो मतलब C team क्या actually उनकी A team ही उनकी C team है अब
हाँ अभी तो उनका A B C
team players कुछ नहीं खेल रहे, ठीक है, उसमें से players नहीं.
But if Rahul Chahar, Deepak Chahar and Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya play, will it be the first time that two pair of brothers have played in the same team?
Yeah.
But Chahar, they are not Chahar brothers, right? They are cousins. They are not.
मतलब फिर भी ना, मतलब सगे नहीं, brothers है. I'm like two pair of brothers. Like we have had, of course, the Wars and we have had the others. This will be the Marshes, but this will be the first time two.
But I'm really excited to see Sakaria play, man. I really hope he gets a chance in ODI as well. But I think he will, because and Saini, like Uday said, I agree with him. Even though he has been pretty bad with his line length thing, but the thing is,
brain injury.
On this tour, we only have two bowlers who can bowl little bit of pace. They are Sakaria and Saini.
But फिर श्रीलंका वाले कंप्लेन करेंगे ना, इतना फास्ट खेलने की आदत नहीं है. हाँ. बोलेंगे हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं.
We should like let them score runs, and then our batsmen.
We want our batsmen to face some challenge.
I think that's very important.
We want scoreboard challenge to come in. So
that's very important.
Then it makes sense to play Saini, because
play Saini,
हाँ, फिर Saini को खिलाना चाहिए. तो रन देगा तो ठीक है. I think that makes sense. That's a logical, मतलब हमारे perspective से ठीक है.
चलो, I think the squad's been selected. Dhawan, Shaw, Sky, Ishan, Samson, Manish Pandey, two of those. Krunal, Hardik, and then there is room for rotation in the bowlers. And we'll move on to our next topic that we wanted to discuss. And we'll quickly move on to that. Obviously, the World Cup groups are out. So I'll just read the viewers through it. So how is the format going to be? There is going to be qualifiers. So qualifiers होंगे पहले, which is Group A and Group B होंगे qualifiers के. This will probably happen in Oman. Sri Lanka, Ireland, Netherlands, and Namibia in one group. Bangladesh, Scotland, Papua New Guinea, and Oman in the second group. So two teams from each of the group, they'll all play each other, and the top two teams from each of the group will go to what they're calling the Super 12, which is two groups again, Group 1 and 2. Group 1 is England, Australia, South Africa, West Indies, the winner of Group A from qualifiers, and the runner-up of Group B from qualifiers, which is likely going to be, I don't know. I don't think Sri Lanka is going to beat Ireland. So it's probably going to be Ireland and one of Scotland, Papua New Guinea, and Oman. And Group 2, which is where India is India, Pakistan, of course. ICC would want an India-Pakistan game. The revenue aega. New Zealand, Afghanistan, runner-up from Group A, and winners from Group B, which we are expecting, or I'm expecting, to be Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. So there is a very good chance that this is Asia Cup and New Zealand, Group 2.
But the thing is, why? How do they do the draw? Like, why don't they have a live draw? Like, it's
like
fixing कैसे दिखाएंगे?
I want to understand.
Right? It's based on rankings. If I'm not wrong.
No, I don't know.
Now all Indian fans getting hyped about India Pakistan only to see India crash out to New Zealand before the final.
So I think
I don't think so.
That will happen in semi-finals for sure.
So two good things. One is obviously two teams from both groups go through. So India would probably, I think we're going to lose to New Zealand anyway because New Zealand से ICC tournament में तो हारना ही होता है.
हारना बनता ही है अपना.
हाँ, बहुत time हो गया जीते हुए. I think no, बहुत नहीं actually. We have never beaten them.
No, we have beaten them in 2003 World Cup. We did 2003 World Cup. And,
no, I don't think we haven't beaten them in a very long time.
No, we did.
I don't remember that. Okay, anyway.
In 2003 World Cup, we only lost to Australia.
But there were two groups ना that time.
But Super 6 में खेले थे न्यूजीलैंड के साथ.
Okay, हो सकता है. हाँ.
हाँ.
हो सकता है. तो anyway, चलो फिर भी we've lost to them 2007 T20, अभी 2019 WTC पता नहीं कब खैर. तो so India needs to play.
WTC का नाम मत ले भाई.
पाकिस्तान है, अफगानिस्तान है, most probably Bangladesh होगी because if Bangladesh can't win the group with Scotland, Papua New Guinea and Oman, तो फिर तो रहने देना चाहिए. तो बांग्लादेश तो श्योरली होगी एंड देन रनर अप फ्रॉम ग्रुप ए व्हिच आई थिंक श्रीलंका या आयरलैंड में कोई एक हो जाएगा. तो
श्रीलंका नेदरलैंड्स में से कोई एक होगा. आयरलैंड इज तो विनिंग द ग्रुप, सो आई थिंक इट विल बी वन ऑफ श्रीलंका और नेदरलैंड्स.
हो सकता है. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि श्रीलंका एंड आयरलैंड में वन साइड हो गया.
अरे
तो मिनी एशिया कप है ग्रुप 2. तो बहुत ही आई थिंक सेमीफाइनल तो इजी है इंडिया का. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक?
नहीं
सेमीफाइनल पहुंचना है. सेमीफाइनल
आई हैव सीरियस डाउट्स. एक तो न्यूजीलैंड हमारे ग्रुप में, उनसे एक प्रोबेबली हम हारने वाले हैं. नाउ इंडिया पाकिस्तान, given that our history in the World Cups against Pakistan has been amazing, ideally we should be expected to win it, but I think we'll give one of the matches against at least Bangladesh away or Afghanistan away because now this is a knockout na. India and knockout, this is directly a knockout. There is no league phase. ये knockout ही है. मतलब यहाँ से हार के तो knockout.
But league, yeah, actually because 6 में से 2 ही टीम जाएंगे. Almost every game becomes very important.
It's a knockout game. तो फिर इंडिया एक
6 टीम होंगे ना. सुपर 12 है. तो 6 में से 2 ही जाएंगे.
नहीं यार, come on, like considering our resources which we have, I don't think we'll lose to. Yeah, we should totally expect us to make to semi-finals, at least semi-finals.
But again, मतलब बांग्लादेश से हारने वाले थे, घर पे हारने वाले.
If that happens, I think all the players should stop playing cricket. Whosoever.
So no, the thing is, our Indian fans' expectation have gone so much down. Like, despite having best resource and best players probably on paper for suited to a particular format, still we don't believe that we are going to win the World Cup.
वर्ल्ड कप के सेमीज तक नहीं पहुंच रहे. मैं सेमीज 50-50. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि जाएंगे.
वन मोर थिंग इज कि इफ एनी कैप्टन कैन बॉटल द पाकिस्तान रिकॉर्ड एट वर्ल्ड कप्स, इट इज द कैप्टन दैट वी हैव. तो मतलब अगर
उसका 2019 में एक बार उसने बचा लिया ना.
19 में बचा लिया. मुझे तो पूरा डर था कि 19 में भी नहीं बचेगा.
सही में मेरे को लग ही रहा था.
But अब तो हो सकता है. T20 है, and the way Pakistan played against England yesterday, I was watching that match.
That was
crazy. Trent Bridge, but England के पास भी तो same जगह.
England is number 1 ranked T20 team, right?
No, so but England didn't have Butler, didn't have
C team.
हाँ, England की तो B team ही चल रही है. But
England की C team नहीं थी यार, सारे खेल रहे थे ना. Morgan खेल रहा था, Roy खेल रहा था, West खेल रहा था, Malan खेल रहा था.
But you don't have
Butler. Morgan खेल रहा था,
you don't have Archer.
बटलर, स्टोक्स, आर्चर नहीं भाई. आर्चर अकेला डिफरेंस करता है 4 ओवर T20 में.
अरे 232 they would have chased if they had Butler and Stokes. I am 100% they would have chased 232.
Moeen Ali at 4, brother. Moeen Ali at 4.
Pakistan brags about their bowling lineup so much.
And bowling भी एकदम Lewis, Gregory, Willie तो अच्छा है, but Tom Curran.
There was no Sam Curran as well. How can you miss Sam Curran?
Sam Curran, latest superstar. But England have found so many good players. But anyway, let's move to the first group, which is literally the group of death. Predict the 2 qualifiers. There is England, there is Australia,
there is
South Africa, there is West Indies.
West Indies and England.
I also think so.
Straightforward.
South Africa का तो गया, but
South Africa is making knockouts of any tournament for next 6-7 years, considering how they are.
I am saying West Indies and Australia. I'm saying
So,
no England.
Australia.
Australia has a shit T20 squad, but
No, but उनका जो अभी वेस्ट इंडीज से हार के दैट वाज अ वेरी मतलब रिड्यूस्ड, उतना बड़े बड़े लोग गए नहीं थे, वार्नर वगैरह तो गए नहीं थे तो बट एनीवे
I don't
वेस्ट
think
इंडीज
so.
का वो टाइम
They
आ
have
गया
a good
कि
squad.
दे आर वेकिंग अप एंड एवरीडे थिंकिंग ओ वर्ल्ड कप ईयर है, T20 वर्ल्ड कप है, अब तो अच्छा खेलना पड़ेगा.
अपना टाइम आ गया.
At the way they are beating. Anyway, chalo, we've got last 10 minutes. So last point and last discussion that we had to do was, so the COVID bubble or the lack of COVID bubble in England. What is it? Was it a good idea to give our players the freedom to roam around? Because now, I don't know, Rishabh Pant, I don't think he's going to play in the first county game. Same with Saha. So you don't have a keeper. Obviously, KL Rahul probably might keep. So what do you guys think about the COVID situation in England? Obviously, 45k new cases yesterday also in England, and Trent Bridge was full yesterday. मतलब एक भी सीट मेरे को खाली नहीं दिख रही थी, and it was great atmosphere. बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा atmosphere देखने को मिला क्रिकेट में कल, and the way Pakistan played also was very neat. But anyway, let's close the discussion with that. We'll start with Uday. What are your thoughts, Uday?
See, there was like almost more than a month between end of WTC and beginning of, let's say, the next practice game, right? So asking the players to stay inside the hotel for so long in a new country is definitely wouldn't have been right. But what I think is that players should have taken some precautions. We saw the Instagram post of all the players.
Rishabh Pant was like
mask नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
रवि शास्त्री खुद विंबलडन में चश्मा लगा के बैठा है.
यार ये भी है कि इंग्लैंड रोज केसेस नहीं कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं केस निकल रहे रोज 30 से 40 हजार छोटे से कंट्री में निकल रहे, इतने इंडिया में निकल रहे.
मतलब हमारे
सो डेफिनेटली कितना किसी को तो होना था, एंड आई थिंक बीसीसीआई वुड हैव considered possibility कि जब लोग वापस आएंगे कुछ तो केस निकलेंगे, and still we have lot of ample amount of time to prepare for the first test. So ठीक है, players will be back, but players should have perhaps taken more precautions while
Exactly. I mean, I agree with Uday on this, that bio bubble, I mean, it was ridiculous to expect the players to stay in the hotel all the time, but doesn't make sense to attend finals and crowded event places. I mean, ठीक है, I mean,
मतलब उतना तो अवॉइड कर सकते हैं,
इतना तो अवॉइड कर सकते हो.
You can no one saying कि भाई घर पे रहो. You could have gone to restaurants and go around. Like Virat was Hyde Park में घूम रहे थे, but he was secure. They were alone and all that. But I think पंत के तो photos थे घूमने के यूरो.
But the thing is, it's a stupid argument that crowded place and all. The thing is, you don't know how COVID spread. Like a person.
But probability तो सोच ना पीयूष.
मतलब तेरे को पता है कि probability, yes.
Obviously, मतलब घर पे रहेंगे तो थोड़ा तो सेफ्टी रहेगा ना, बेटर. घर पे नहीं, इन द सेंस क्लोज्ड में.
They are rich enough to afford a VIP lounge for themselves, so why not? Yes.
अब नहीं किया ना उन्होंने, वही तो दिक्कत है.
Yeah, but that is a separate point. But
it was coming home.
It was, yeah, but I don't think that it was possible, like Uday Dashi said, to stay in a one month because we had a great time, and I think our squad was made and everyone is vaccinated, so no one is expected to have a.
एक ही वैक्सीन हुआ सबका यार.
नहीं second.
No, they got the second dose in England.
इंग्लैंड में हुआ यार.
Second 9th
they got the second dose.
9th को हो गया, and उसके 1-2 दिन बाद.
9th जुलाई, राइट? उससे पहले लोग घूम रहे थे यार.
उसके पहले घूम रहे थे, 9th के बाद भी घूम रहे थे. Even after, and वैक्सीनेशन के बाद 10-15 दिन थोड़ा तो.
But apparently you.
So because immunity कम रहता है. But अब तो हो गया.
But UK is fully open now.
हाँ, UK is fully open. 19 जुलाई से masks are not mandatory in UK. Everything is going.
But Indian players wear them so that they can hide their tears on the WTC final.
नहीं भाई, कोई वो तो नहीं है. I have seen Kohli laughing after losing the WTC final when he was.
Kohli was more concerned about
Jamieson खेल RCB. भाई जब यहाँ से बोल के गए थे तो he said कि हम तो 6 टेस्ट मैच खेलने जा रहे हैं. WTC final is just one of them. So in his mind he's still 1-0 down in a 6-match series. That's how he thinks probably. So I don't think there are any tears. They're just enjoying themselves.
But
लोग गिर जाते हैं भाई, वो फीलिंग में देखिए, मतलब when you lose a knockouts में, जब वर्ल्ड कप में they just fall down
because of the Euro madness.
यार अब आदत हो गई है ना यार हारने की. यार कब कितने आंसू भाई, आंसू भी मतलब सूख चुके हैं. आदत हो गई है यार.
Now will the Indian team will be correct till the end of the series.
Now they'll be in the bubble. They've joined the bubble. Now they'll be in the bubble.
So, no, but the question remains: if we do not do well in the T20 World Cup, is it the end for Kohli as a captain?
Has to be.
Yeah. I will go outside his house.
How many knockouts how many knockouts would have lost? So last was Dhoni 2015 was the last knockout.
I was seeing the stats.
No, even 2016 knockout was under Dhoni's captaincy.
Yes, I was seeing the stats. Dhoni has won 7 out of 9 knockout games that he has captained in. वरना पहुंचते ही नहीं थे या फिर पहुंचते थे तो जीत जाते थे. He's just lost the 2014 final and 2016 semi-final.
No, he also
2015. 6 out of 9. Sorry, and 2015 semi.
No, 16 was Virat Kohli captain.
No. क्या मलाई कहाँ से स्टार्ट लेके आ रहा है?
2012 में कहाँ पहुंचे थे भाई? 2012 में कहाँ पहुंचे थे?
2012 में पहुंचे थे ना यार. क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
2012 श्रीलंका था. We had gone out of the Super 6. South Africa से last match था. Remember?
नहीं, we lost the final. No, T20.
अरे we lost the final to Sri Lanka. Yuvraj Singh.
That was 2014.
Yuvraj Singh.
That was 2014. Bangladesh.
2012
was
2010 में भी crashed out of Super 6 stages, but 2012 में we reached knockouts.
No, 2012 also we crashed out. Last game was, remember, South Africa 1-run win, where we needed to win by a big 30-odd run margin to qualify.
Yes.
So there are 3 games, 6 out of 9. That's.
But यार तुम 3 trophy जीत चुके हो, ठीक है.
3 trophy इतने IPL and 3 नहीं actually. He's won 2 Asia Cups also. तो मतलब धोनी की तो बात ही अलग है.
एशिया कप भी हो नहीं रहा है क्या आजकल?
And Kohli has a much better squad what Dhoni had. Is what my thing.
क्रिकेट में अब पैसा नहीं बचा. Anyway, chalo, we've just got 3 last minutes to wrap this up. I think great time, great exciting times for cricket ahead. India Sri Lanka series होगी, फिर England Pakistan की T20 2 T20 बचे हैं, that's going on, and then obviously the IPL will
yesterday South Africa also won against Ireland, so that was also a good series. Ireland won one.
Janeman Malan got 177 yesterday.
Yes.
ये कौन है भाई?
ये भी
जानेमन है भाई.
तो इसके अलावा बहुत सारा क्रिकेट चल रहा है एंड आईपीएल आएगा उसके बाद. तो फाइनली विल बी बैक इन द यूएई एंड देन आई थिंक 3 days after the IPL or 4 days after the IPL gets over, qualifiers for the World T20 competition.
टेस्ट मत यार.
WTC को जाने दे.
WTC चल रहा है भाई मन में. फाइनल
अभी हम
3 दिन में
आने वाला हमारे लाइफ में.
3 दिन में हार गए फाइनल. मतलब 2.5 दिन में हार गए.
Anyway. भाई याद मत दिलाना. अभी श्रीलंका को मारेंगे. श्रीलंका को व्हाइट वॉश करो.
हाँ, श्रीलंका में
भूल जाएंगे.
मतलब बट आई थिंक वो पिचेस ऐसी बनाएंगे ना स्लो टाइप की कि वो 350 360 वाला दिखेगा नहीं रन्स. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है 300 310 टाइप ही बनाएगी इंडिया. एंड
120 शूट आउट एकदम वो सैंड पिट्स होंगे सारे.
हाँ, एंड अगर गलती से श्रीलंका की बैटिंग पहले आ गई तो आई डोंट थिंक दे विल इवन मेक 200 more than 200 250 even once in the
Daniel Alexander's Twitter account during this series.
Oh yes,
it will be nice. Chalo, I think we'll wrap now. Great time catching up with all you guys and all our viewers. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And we'll be back after the first ODI, hopefully, with more information, more discussion.
Prithvi Shaw scores 100.
No, hopefully. I want
Oh.
Dhawan to like pile on runs, have some 300 350 run kind of teen ODI.
Give some selection headaches.
कुछ तो है. And Dhawan has been like my favorite.
ICC
one
performer.
of my favorite. क्योंकि 2015
Dhawan is an ICC performer यार. Dhawan ICC के लिए अलग जाग जाता है. उसके अंदर माता आ जाती है. ICC के लिए.
ठीक है. चलो, let's close. Thank you for joining everyone. Do like, share, subscribe, comment. Let us know if you like the episode. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye guys. Bye.